Let's get you breaking news that's coming in right now. As the political showdown over Operation Sindoor continues, Rahul Gandhi has now targeted Prime Minister Modi over the ceasefire with Pakistan. Rahul Gandhi has claimed that Prime Minister Modi followed Trump's orders and has fired at Prime Minister Modi, at the BJP and at the RSS. Remember, the Congress has been questioning the government, saying that they gave in to pressure from Trump, and that's why I agreed to a ceasefire. Listen in to what Rahul Gandhi said.
जैसे उधर से ट्रंप ने एक इशारा किया, फोन उठाया, कहा मोदी जी क्या कर रहे हो? नरेंद्र सरेंडर और जी हजूर करके नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने ट्रंप के इशारे का पालन किया.
You see the words there used by Rahul Gandhi. He says on the phone, Trump said, Narendra surrender. And that Prime Minister Modi immediately said, Ji Hazur. So these are the kind of words that Rahul Gandhi has used. The politics continuing, the Congress and Rahul Gandhi leading there in asking questions of the government, claiming that essentially Prime Minister Modi and the BJP, the Modi government gave in, agreed to a ceasefire because Trump wanted it. Ravish Pal is joining us with more details on this. Ravish, take us through the reactions that have come in to Rahul Gandhi's comment there.
See, Akshita, Rahul Gandhi has just said these words for the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he has left for Delhi. But now BJP is going to target the Congress party and the former Congress President Rahul Gandhi over this. A few minutes back, after the state BJP President V.D. Sharma has called on the press, and we are still in position that he is going to make some comments on Rahul Gandhi's statement, what he has said about the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Rahul Gandhi was here in Bhopal to strengthen the organizational structure of Congress party in Madhya Pradesh, and during a session with the Congress bloc president and district president, Rahul Gandhi has said this word that in Operation Sindoor we have seen that how the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has surrendered after a phone call from the US President Donald Trump. So this was the exact moment and when he was targeting the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and used these words. Now the entire BJP and the state government is in Pachmadi today for the cabinet meeting, and soon the Chief Minister and the state BJP President is going to react on the statement given by the
Okay, we'll wait for
Congress
reactions
President
that come in
Rahul
from
Gandhi.
the BJP on this. Thanks very much, Ravish, for joining us with those details. Listen in again to exactly what Rahul Gandhi has said. Mocking and lashing out at Prime Minister Modi. Rahul Gandhi is even laughing as he questions the Modi government, saying that because of Trump, you agreed to a ceasefire with Pakistan.
जैसे उधर से ट्रंप ने एक इशारा किया, फोन उठाया, कहा मोदी जी क्या कर रहे हो? नरेंद्र सरेंडर और जी हजूर करके नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने ट्रंप के इशारे का पालन किया.
So that's the comment that's come in from Rahul Gandhi, where he says that at the behest of Trump, one conversation with Trump made Prime Minister Modi immediately go ahead and agree to a ceasefire with Pakistan. This no doubt will trigger a fresh political fight, and we will await a reaction from the BJP on this. The Congress, of course, has repeatedly fired this taunt. But here you have Rahul Gandhi essentially mocking Prime Minister Modi over the decision to go for a ceasefire with Pakistan.